What's hiding on the far side of the moon? It's not alien bases. It's not ancient ruins. It's something far stranger, a 4.7-billion-year-old prisoner that never came home. Think about it. The moon is right next door to Earth. Yet from the moment it was born, its far side has never turned toward us. Not even once. And it's not because it doesn't want to. It's because Earth has been gripping it tightly, as if an invisible hand has been holding it by the throat, forcing it to show us only one face for eternity. 1. How the moon became locked. 4.5 billion years ago, the newborn moon was spinning like crazy. A single day lasted only 6 hours. Every side could see Earth, but Earth wasn't having it. Because the side facing Earth felt a stronger gravitational pull than the far side, the moon kept getting tugged, slowing down bit by bit for millions of years. Eventually, its rotation slowed until it matched its orbit, 27.3 days to rotate, 27.3 days to orbit. From that moment on, it was locked, a cosmic life sentence. This is what scientists call tidal locking, and the moon is one of the most perfectly locked bodies in the entire solar system. 2. Why the near side and far side look nothing alike. Here's the real mystery. The near side has 19 massive Maria, covering almost half of it. The far side has only 3 tiny Maria, adding up to just 2.5% of its surface. The far side's crust is twice as thick, up to 100 kilometers. Why such an extreme difference? The answer goes back to a catastrophic event. A Mars-sized planet called Theia slammed into the early Earth. The impact tore Earth's mantle apart, hurled trillions of tons of molten debris into space, and eventually formed the moon. But right after its birth, the moon orbited much closer, only 1/10 of today's distance. Earth was still a glowing magma ocean, blasting heat toward the moon's near side. Result: near side. Heated crust thinner, easy for lava to burst out, giant Maria formed. Far side. Never heated crust, thicker lava couldn't escape, only craters formed. That's why the far side looks like it was sprayed by a cosmic machine gun. 3. Humans first saw the far side in 1959. The Soviet LUNA-3 probe captured the first blurry images of the far side. Since then, our curiosity has never stopped. Even during the Apollo missions, astronauts never dared land there. The far side is radio silent, with no direct communication to Earth until 2019. 4. China becomes the first to land on the far side on January 3, 2019. China's Chang'e 4 became the first spacecraft in human history to soft land on the far side, inside the giant South Pole Icon Basin. The rover Yutu-2 discovered large transparent glass beads up to 2.5 cm wide, minerals like olivine and low-calcium pyroxene, materials from deep inside the moon, exposed by ancient mega-impacts. Then came something even bigger. 5. Water found on the far side. In 2024, Chang'e 6 brought back the first soil samples from the far side. Inside the glass beads, scientists found water molecules locked inside the crystal structure. Not liquid water, but still water. The numbers are shocking. About 170 grams of water per ton of lunar soil. An estimated total reserve of over 10 billion tons. This water forms when hydrogen ions from the solar wind strike lunar soil and bind with oxygen. The far side also contains abundant helium-3, a dream nuclear fuel. 1 ton of helium-3, 1 billion kilowatt-hours of energy. The moon holds around 1 million tons, enough to power humanity for tens of thousands of years. Suddenly, this prisoner looks more like humanity's future energy bank. 6. The far side is the quietest place in the Earth-Moon system. Because it always faces away from Earth, the far side is perfectly shielded from all human radio noise. No phones, no Wi-Fi, no radar, no satellites. It is the quietest radio environment we've ever found. A natural home for giant radio telescopes that could detect faint signals from the deep universe, possibly even from alien civilizations. China is already planning a large far-side radio observatory. 7. The moon is not a prisoner, it's Earth's guardian. For 4.5 billion years, the moon has stabilized Earth's rotation, given us consistent seasons, shielded Earth from countless asteroid impacts, taken scars on its far side so Earth wouldn't tee. It shows us its gentle face, while hiding its battered shield from view. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember, you're only seeing the beautiful half. The other half, the half you'll never see, holds all the wounds it took for Earth, and all the resources that may one day carry humanity into the stars.